Are you stuck believing that only connections or cash can launch your composing career? What if I told you that you could build an online presence that commands the attention of industry professionals without spending a dime? In this lesson, I'll unveil the underground marketing blueprint that took me from a retired commercial banker to a sought-after composing professional. These strategies aren't just an option. They're your secret weapon to transforming your musical talent into a career-launching platform. Stick around because this video is set to rewrite the rules of self-promotion in the film music industry. For boomer composers eager to reignite their careers after retiring from another profession, know this: building a music career doesn't demand industry insiders or a hefty budget. Smart networking and relationship building are key. Volunteering at film festivals provides a perfect start, immersing you in a networking-rich environment. Let me share the networking strategies I employed as a festival volunteer, which enable me to connect with industry professionals and foster meaningful relationships with directors. In 2008, I transitioned into a career in banking during the challenging times of the Great Recession. It wasn't until 2022 that I decided to leave banking behind permanently for good, moving from LA to Arizona to care for my wife's parents who were in need of elder care. This move brought with it a lot of uncertainty about my future as a composer. I questioned whether Arizona had a film industry and if there were any tax incentives to support filmmaking projects. My initial online research led me to discover several local film festivals, with the Phoenix Film Festival standing out as the largest and most accessible. So realizing Phoenix features a well-established film festival kind of ignited a creative spark, inspiring a strategy that aligned perfectly with my creative aspirations. I volunteered at the festival, which proved to be an ideal gateway into the local film culture. My role involved introducing films and facilitating Q&A sessions with directors and producers, making networking with potential clients easy, fun, and entertaining. Volunteering granted me access to numerous film and networking events, and I carefully planned the events I wanted to attend to maximize opportunities, including a standout visual special effects dais with local special effects artists. This event attracted many independent filmmakers, and during the Q&A, one participant proposed a film he was conceiving that blended Pride and Prejudice with Jurassic Park. I seized the opportunity to connect with him after the event. We exchanged contact information and later developed deeper into his project over a Zoom call post-festival. I was delighted to discover that at just 30 years old, he was keen on having live strings for the film's score. Although the budget was modest, I reached out to Arizona State University's string department and collaborated with Miss Nancy Buck, who kindly provided 6 graduate students to record the necessary string parts. This arrangement brought a rich orchestral texture to the film's score. In addition, I chronicled the process by creating a behind-the-scenes video that met Alessandro's vision. This not only deepened my friendship with the director, but also furnished me with a compelling marketing piece, proving to other filmmakers that real musicians can be a feasible option beyond digital libraries, and emphasize how a creative approach could enhance a film's enduring appeal. So let me share 5 pro tips, powerful strategies to propel your composing career by volunteering at film festivals. Use film festivals to connect with filmmakers and understand new trends in filmmaking. Volunteering serves as a gateway into professional communities, offering a wealth of networking possibilities and hands-on industry experience. By introducing films and facilitating Q&A sessions at film festivals, you gain direct access to filmmakers, acquire insights into emerging film trends, and enrich your portfolio by showcasing your active participation in the film community. Develop a detailed action plan to ensure you don't miss out on valuable events or connections. Having a strategy helps you make the most of every opportunity. Following up and nurturing professional contacts can lead to fruitful collaborations and enhance your career development. Building a strong professional network is key to success. Participate in industry networking events whenever possible. These gatherings can provide unique insights and introduce you to collaborators who value your talents. Whether you're aiming to premiere your latest project or seek inspiration, these resources connect you to opportunities that can elevate your composing journey. Start exploring today. And please share your experiences at film festivals and any questions you may have, such as strategies and networking tips or how to engage effectively as a volunteer in the comments below. The best part is these strategies require minimal financial investment. Volunteering, networking, and building relationships are generally all cost-effective ways to gain industry access and valuable insights. In the next section, we'll explore the pivotal role of film commission offices. Discover how these offices can be powerful allies in your journey, helping to connect you with resources, projects, and industry insiders. A film commission office offers comprehensive support to the film, television, and media industry. Activities of a film commission office may include development production, funding, and location and infrastructure support, also the deployment of tax incentives. There are currently 36 states that have film commission offices, but where do you go to locate them? Let's take a look at the U.S. Film Production Resources by State website. Right at the top, you can discover what state your film commission office is located. Since I live in Arizona, let's click there. First, it discloses the location and contact information for the office. More importantly, if you scroll down, notice the section called Local Resources. For Arizona, the two most important organizations are the Arizona Film and Digital Media Coalition and the Arizona Production Association. Why are they important? To start, this section will feature all relevant clubs and organizations linked to the film industry. For example, the Arizona Production Association offers a reasonably priced annual membership, hosts monthly networking events, and promotes your career achievements through their newsletter. The Arizona Film and Digital Media collaborates with the Arizona Film Commission to facilitate tax credits for filmmakers looking to shoot in Arizona, leveraging the state's rebate programs. And building connections with these professionals is advantageous as they directly interact with filmmakers and studio executives interested in these incentives. So to qualify for the tax benefits, filmmakers must utilize in-state post-production services. The requirement benefits local professionals in areas such as composing, visual special effects, sound design, contracting, and recording, providing work opportunities under the tax incentive framework. Here's how I leverage volunteering in film festivals and joining local organizations like the Arizona Production Association. Living in Arizona with the smaller film community compared to Los Angeles, I quickly connected with top talents in areas like visual special effects, sound design, contracting, and recording studios. To highlight the exceptional work of this A-team, including my role as a composer, I created a reel showcasing our collective skills. This reel is now linked to my profile in the Arizona Production Directory under Music Production Services, providing filmmakers an easy way to explore our work and consider us for their upcoming projects. Networking through the U.S. Film Production Resources by State can lead to significant opportunities. You, too, can take the initiative and collaborate with these organizations and the post-artisans, which can lead to camaraderie and greater referrals and significant opportunities. If you're interested, you can view the film reel I created for the Arizona Film Commission by clicking the link provided in the description box below. Curious to know if your state has a film incentive program that could benefit your composing career? You can access the link to the U.S. Film Production Resources by State in the description box below. Additionally, resources like Film Freeway and the Association of Film Commissioners International offer updated directories of film commission offices across the U.S., complete with contact details. These links are conveniently provided in the description box below. But before going into the final section, remember these strategies can be implemented with minimal cost, maximizing your opportunities without straining your budget. In our last session, I introduced you to the U.S. Film Production Resources by State website. You might remember one of the local resources in Arizona is the Arizona Production Association, or APA. And by joining APA, you gain access to a monthly newsletter which looks like this. It features new members, including their contact details and roles in the film industry. Additionally, it provides updates on events, social groups, and valuable industry insights. The real question is, how can you leverage these resources to propel your career forward? Through the Arizona Production Association newsletter, I found the announcement for the annual Tucson Film Festival. Attending allowed me to meet many festival organizers, and during an industry breakout session, an attendee recommended joining the Film Tucson Facebook group for regular updates about local film productions. And once I joined and explored past posts, I discovered opportunities posted by directors seeking actors, location scouts, and more. And these posts often included contact information. I proactively texted my details, offering my services as a composing consultant, and shared my website link. I also followed up with a phone call and left a message. Well, 4 months later, I received a call from a producer of an indie film noir movie of the week shot in black and white on 16mm film. He had noted my message, reviewed my reel, and was impressed. This led to an introduction to the director, who expressed interest in my work and availability. Now, let me share what I learned that transformed my approach to crafting impactful opportunities. First up, it's all about networking and discovering opportunities. It's incredible how simply engaging with industry professionals through likes and comments can boost your visibility. This might seem small, but trust me, it can open the doors to incredible opportunities and collaborations. Next, let's talk about the power of direct messages, or DMs. Personalizing your outreach, particularly with key players like location scouts, is a golden ticket into early production stages, aligning you with those closely working with directors. And finally, a pivotal lesson. Your assets are within you. The creativity, passion, and persistence you have are your greatest tools. Combine these internal strategies with the strategies I'm sharing, and you'll unveil opportunities you never imagined. To elevate your filmmaking journey, connect with key communities. And here are some fantastic resources I found incredibly helpful. A dynamic and collaborative space for filmmakers to connect, share insights, seek advice, and foster collaborations. Join to be part of a supportive community that spans all levels of experience in the film industry. This is an international community of filmmakers dedicated to sharing diverse perspectives, experiences, and opportunities. Engage with members from around the world to network, collaborate, and expand your creative horizons in the film industry. And consider joining Stage 32. It's considered the best online community of film and television artists you can encounter. And all these links are available in the description box below. And as we've seen today, the start of your composing journey doesn't require deep pockets or inside connections, just your creativity, your persistence, and the strategic insights we've uncovered. That's just the beginning of your journey to success. In my upcoming video, Composers, How to Land Your First Composing Gig Without Any Context, we'll explore even more actionable strategies to help you break into the industry. I'll guide you through innovative marketing tools and inventive approaches to land your first composing gig, all while staying independent of existing contacts. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on these game-changing insights. Thank you for encouraging the channel and sharing it with others. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions, so be sure to leave a comment or share your experiences below. And before you go, don't forget to download our free resources. I've shared links to the U.S. film production resources by state to help you start building your presence today, along with a tax incentive guide that highlights states offering film incentives. These tools are crafted to give you a head start in leveraging opportunities right in your backyard. Here's to your journey, your transformation, and most importantly, your composing comeback.